altering landscapes. Few structures can transform a landscape quite like a dam. By blocking the flow of a river, dams defy gravity's pull on water from mountain to estuary. This transforms a river's natural course, accruing sediment at the artificial barrier and dampening water's erosional force downstream. A great example is the Contra Dam, also known as the Verzasca Dam in Switzerland. It's perhaps best known for its appearance on GoldenEye, the 1995 James Bond movie. Another awe-inspiring dam is the Roslin Dam in France. The dam is situated in the Savoy Valley and offers beautiful views of the Rhone Alps region. The Monticello Dam in California is a concrete arch dam with a unique feature, a morning glory type spillway known as the Glory Hole. The last time the reservoir naturally spilled through was in February 2019. Loss of life. Unfortunately, people and animals don't always benefit from dams. Between 2000 and 2009, more than 200 dam failures occurred across the globe. These were triggered by everything from earthquakes and internal erosion to human error and poor maintenance. One of the most deadly failures in history was the 1975 Bankyo Reservoir Dam failure. The catastrophic collapse of 62 dams, including the Bankyo Dam, killed more than 171,000 people and 11 million lost their homes. The Kariba Dam is also on the verge of failure. It suffers from both levels of water that are too high and too low. If the dam fails, it'll take 40% of Southern Africa's hydroelectric capacity with it. This would devastate the wildlife in surrounding areas and leave 3.5 million people at risk. Submerging valleys. But dams aren't always so bleak. Reservoirs created by dams help control flooding, and by filling valleys in this manner, they can also be used for boating, fishing, and other human recreation. The largest reservoir in the world, Lake Volta, acts as a waterway for ferries and cargo watercraft. Keeping the lights on. Dams are also responsible for keeping our landscapes lit. The Gordon Dam is a double curvature concrete arch dam in Tasmania, Australia. It diverts the waters of Lake Gordon to an underground power station and provides approximately 13% of Tasmania's electricity. Growing populations. The Hoover Dam took 5 years to build, and its construction was a massive effort that involved thousands of workers. The need for a huge workforce created a population spike in nearby Las Vegas. In just 1 year, the population jumped from 5,200 to 7,500. Soon the government began investing in the city's infrastructure, and Las Vegas continued to grow. The dam's construction brought tourists. In fact, an estimated 75% of those visiting the dam in the 1930s also stopped in Las Vegas. The Hoover Dam would be responsible for bringing cheap energy to Las Vegas when the dam started generating power in 1937. The dam also provided water to the developing city. Without the Hoover Dam, Las Vegas wouldn't be what it is today. Environmental disasters. There are more than 100 cases of earthquakes that have been caused by dams. The phenomenon, known as reservoir-induced seismicity, is caused by extra water pressure in the dam's reservoir, resulting in cracks and fissures in the ground below. The water further lubricates the faults, which are already under tectonic strain. One such example is the 7.9 magnitude Sichuan earthquake, which occurred in 2008. The event, which has been linked to the Zippingpu Dam, killed around 80,000 people.